Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and today I wanted to tell you about a lens that I just purchased. I just pulled it out of the box, and it is probably the most versatile lens I have seen on the market. It is a micro four thirds lens, 12 to 100 millimeter. Being micro four thirds, the 35 millimeter equivalent is 24 to 200. Now, that is a really big range, and you might be thinking, oh, well, yeah, I mean, there are other lenses with that range, but this has a constant aperture of f4, which is really cool. And it's the only lens I know of that has that span with a constant aperture. So let's take a look at it. This is the Olympus M Zuiko, I don't know if I'm saying that right, 12 to 100 millimeter f4 lens. So this lens has a really solid build quality. It is splash proof, dust proof, freeze proof. I've seen shots of this thing just covered in water, and apparently it's none the worse for wear. I'm not purposely going to do that myself, but this is just such a cool lens. And right off the bat, this is not a paid ad or anything like that. I bought this with my own money, specifically for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, and we'll see what it looks like on that camera here in a minute. So, taking the cap off, you see this lens hood. It's a plastic lens hood. It has a lock, which I really like because a lot of lenses I have, the hood actually wears out after a while and it won't stay on. So that clips on there. This is the image stabilizer switch. You have a programmable button. Now with the Pocket 4K, I don't think you can program that for anything, but if you're using Olympus cameras, you can definitely do that. And then for autofocus and manual focus, you actually have a clutch right here. So if you pop that up, that is autofocus. Pop it down, and you have manual control. So it's not the heaviest lens I've ever held in my life, which isn't a bad thing. I actually got this lens because I travel a lot, and I don't want to have 2 or 3 lenses. I just want to have one lens that I can use for everything. So this fits the bill for that. So let's take a look and see what it looks like on the Pocket Cinema camera. So there it is on the Pocket Cinema camera, very nice looking. And if we turn it on here, so right now we have the autofocus turned on. We'll just hit the button there, the autofocus button. There we go, very nice. Pretty speedy on the autofocus. And so far my tests have concluded that the image stabilizer is quite nice on this lens. So of course, if you use this lens with an Olympus camera or a compatible camera, you can get the added benefit of IBIS in the camera. So you don't get that with the Pocket, but of course you don't get the IBIS with the Pocket 4K. Now I'm going to be doing a lot of shooting with this over the next week, and so the week after I'm going to be doing a full review of this lens, tell you what I think about it. And so you don't miss it, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you like this video, be sure to share it with your friends. That's pretty much it for now. We'll see you next time.